This is your home, where families are built, friends come and go, where you lounge, sleep, play, and everything in between. At SABRE, we create home safety solutions designed for you, like the SABRE Door Handle Alarm. This vibration-triggered security alarm sounds when doorknob is touched from outside, which is loud enough to deter intruders, alert you, and even possibly notify neighbors. With 3 adjustable settings to alert entry when you're at home and when you're away, featuring a portable design and easy installation. Because this is your home, and personal safety solutions from SABRE will help give you peace of mind knowing that your loved ones are safe. SABRE, make it safe.